they built this place and they basically just wanted CCTV surveillance on it and also an alarm system. So the CCTV is simply just to monitor the comings and goings of the yard. Obviously we've got a camera just up there, just monitors the yard here. This covers this hay store here, the hay store there, and these stables here. There's also a couple of cameras back there, one just above the tack room to cover obviously the comings and goings of the tack room, but then also everything behind this camera here. There's parts of the debris that are caught in by that, and then also the comings and goings on the back door. And the Ajax, the alarm system that we put in as well. So we've got fire detect in the hay store there and also in the tack room, obviously to monitor any fires that may happen, and also motion detect. So if anybody does get into the tack room, the customer is alerted at that. So because tack is a lot of money.